shadow detached itself from the branches above, landing silently before them. "Hoo hoo hoo," intoned Heartwarming the owl, his golden eyes gleaming in Stary's light. "What brings travelers to my domain at this late hour?" Whiskers shrank back, but Stary floated forward. "We seek safe passage for this lost kitten, wise Heartwarming." The owl's feathers ruffled as he